Okay, this is to announce that the atherosclerosis checklist playlist, is now available. There's 21 lectures under the subject of atherosclerosis. The first two give you most of the basic science, and then I'm going to go into special subtype issues. Can heart disease be reversed? Dr. William Roberts, the famous cardiac pathologist, and all his autopsy data on atherosclerosis. The work of the great Caldwell Esselstyn, who has the best results for reversing atherosclerosis. Gregory Sloop, he's the best researcher on atherosclerosis in the world. Of course, he's a pathologist, same thing as Roberts. Hypercoagulability, how it contributes to atherosclerosis, different patterns of atherosclerosis in South and East Asian populations. The relevance of calcium supplements and the problems that they cause, how to improve blood flow, the lecture specific about that, not the book here. The book is in a separate playlist. Total body ischemia as it relates to atherosclerosis, how to save your father's life, and a bunch of other lectures. So this will really give you, if you watch these lectures on atherosclerosis, you'll know more about atherosclerosis than any cardiologist I've met in my life or any vascular surgeon.